Today I will bring you the operation display of the spider crane. Open the toggle switch first. Then turn on the body switch and set the throttle size. Unlock to connect to the remote control. Last start the vehicle. The following shows the operation of the vehicle and the turning. Pull out the fixed sails first and then open all the legs in turn. Insert fixed sails again. Hydraulic leg telescopic display. Hydraulic leg lifting display. The big arm rises below. Can rotate at 360 degrees flexibly. Hook lifting display. You can install a hanging basket, etc. Big arm lift and retractable display. Thank you for watching.